Hello students, today I am going to teach you the maths chapter playing with numbers. Now, when we multiply a number by any natural numbers, we get the multiple of that number. As for the example, if we multiply 5 multiplied by 1, we get 5. 5 multiplied by 2, we get 10. And 5 multiplied by 3, we get 50. And 5 multiplied by 4, we get 20. Now, from 5, we multiply the natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we get answer 5, 10, 15 and 20. These all are the multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15 and 20. These all are multiple of 5. Now, every multiple of the number is always greater and equal to that number. As for the example, 5 ones are 5. So, 5 is greater than or equal to 5. So, 5 is equal to 5 and suppose 5 twos are 10. So, 10 is greater than 5. So, the number is greater than or equal to that number. It means here 5 is equal to 5 or greater than 5 means 10. Now the another thing. The smallest multiple of that number is that number itself. Smallest multiple. 5 ones are 5. This is the smallest multiple. So that is equal to that number or number itself. So here 5 ones are 5. 5 the number itself. Now the different concept. Prime numbers. The number having other than 1, those who have factor only 1 and the number itself is called the prime numbers. As for the example, now suppose we are taking the 11. 11 having only 2 factors, 1 and 11. This called the prime factors. Now the composite number. The number having more than 2 factors are called the composite number. As for the example, suppose we are taking the 9. 9 have a factors 1, 3 and 9, the number itself. So it is more than 2 factors, 1, 2 and 3. So 9 is the composite number. Suppose we are taking the 12. 12 have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So this is more than 2 factors. So 12 also the composite factor. 1 is neither prime or nor a composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number and 4 is the smallest composite number. Now, in the part of playing with numbers, divisibility test is very important part of this chapter, and this topic covers in standard 4th, 5th and 6th. Now, divisible by number 2. In number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its unit place, that number always divisible by 2. As for the example, 507 on the unit place means ones place we have 7. So this number we can't divisible by 2. Now the another number is 4332. This number having 2 number at units place. So this number is divisible by 2. Now 5874. So 4 is on the unit place. So this number is also divisible by 2. Suppose we have 5000. On the unit place we have 0. So this number is also divisible by 2. Now the another number. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of all the digits of the number is multiple of 3, then this number is divisible by 3. Now, as for the example, 982. So, the digits 9 plus 8 plus 2, answer is 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, 18 and 19. 19 is not multiple of 3. So, this number is not divisible by 3. Suppose we are taking the 730. So, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So, this number is also not divisible by 3. Now, for the 3. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. So, 21 is the multiple of 3. 7 3s are 21. So, this number is divisible by 3. So, in this, we have to add all the digits of the number, and then after that we have to check that number is multiple of 3 or not. Now, the another number, divisible by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number is formed by its last 2 digits, tens and ones, then its number is divisible by 4. As for the example, last 2 digits of the 802. So, last 2 digits, 1s and 10s, 0, 2. This is not divisible by 4. Now, in 636, 36 is the divisible by 4? Yes. 9 4s are 36. So, this number is divisible by 4. Now, another number, 9880. So, 80 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 ones are 4 and 20 4s are 80. So, this number is also divisible by 4. Now, divisible by 5. If the number has either 0 or 5 in its units, means ones place, then it's divisible by 5. As for the example, we are taking 405. So, 5 in your unit place. So, this number is divisible by 5. Suppose we are taking 400. So, on unit place, we have 0. So, this number is also divisible by 5. But if we are taking this number also having 5 on a unit place, this number is also divisible by 5. Now, 2423, unit place we have 3. So, this number is not divisible by 5. Now, another number, divisibility of the 6. If number is divisible by both 2 and 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 and 3, both, that is divisible by 6. For that, we have to check both the numbers. First, for 879, for 2, this on unit place we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Here 9. So, this number is not divisible by 6 because we have to check both 2 and with the number 3. Now, we are taking the another number, 4554. Now, by 2. Yes, on unit place we have 4. So, this number is divisible by 2. Now, by 3. Sum of all the numbers divisible by 3. So, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 5 plus 4. So, it is 80. 18 is divisible by 3. Yes, 6 3s are 80. So, this number is also divisible by 3. So this entire number is divisible by 6. I'll show in another example. 4446. Now by 2. On units place we have 6 in this number. So this number is also divisible by 2. Now for by 3. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4. Which number? 4 3s are 12 plus 6 is also 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. Yes. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3. Both. So this number is divisible by 6. So this number is divisible by 6. Divisible by 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. As for the example, we have number 4440. Now we have to take only last 3 digits. So that is 440. Now we have to check this number is divisible by 8 or not. So 440 divisible by 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So 0 remainder. So this number is divisible by 8. Now again for this number 9418. Last 3 digits is 418. So we have to divide it by 4. 4 5s are 40. 1 and 8. 4 2s are 16. Here we have 2 as a remainder. So this number is not divisible by 8. Now for divisible by 9. If the sum of the number is multiple of 9, then given number is divisible by 9. As for the example, 5778. So sum of all digits 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8. It is 27. So 27 is multiple of 9. Yes, 9 3s are 27. So this number is divisible by 9. The another number 4503. So 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 3. Total is 12. So this number is divisible by 9? No. So this number is not divisible by 9. Now divisible by 10. If a number has 0 on its units, means ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Now as per the example, in 5552, on the ones place we have 2. So this number is not divisible by 10. In 5000 in ones place we have 0. So this number is divisible by 10. And in 4200 in ones place we have 0. So this number is also divisible by 10. Now for the 11. If the difference between the sum of the digit, the even place of a number is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. As per the example, in 6514, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to take the digit place order even, not the number. So this is the odd, this is the even, this is the odd and this is the even. Now 6 plus which number we have to take? 3. So 6 plus 3 is the 12 and 2 plus 4 is equal, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So this number is not divisible by 11. Now for the other number and 4. So odd, even, odd, even. So 9 plus 9 is 18 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now 18 minus 7 is 11. So that is the divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11.